Draw the truth table. It is a 2 input OR gate. If you make it NOT and you short circuit the 2 inputs, if input is A, Y is what? Write the equation 1, 2. Possibilities, A can be, yes, 0 or A can be 1. Find Y. Draw and try. If you refer to the notes, it's misleading. Dot mark kitte hue, that is why. Refer to what I am writing on the board. Input suppose is 0. Here also 0, 0, 0 odd with 0 up to this one. 0, then NOT operation 1. If you give 1, 1 here, 1, 1, 1 odd with 1 is what? 1, and then it's a NOT operation 0. That means what? A NOR gate short circuited becomes a NOT gate. एक ही है, 0 changes to 1, 1 changes to 0, this is NOT gate. So a NOR gate, this is a NOR gate. If you short circuit the 2 inputs of a NOR gate, what you get is NOT gate, 1. This is 13. One more problem, problem number is 17, 17. NAND gate, we will short circuit the input of NAND gate. This is a NAND gate, correct? And NOT. If you short circuit the 2 inputs of a NAND gate, then what you get? Karo try. Bolo. Yes. If it is 0, 0, 0, 0 ended with 0. At this point you get 0, then NOT operation, 0 changes to 1. Other possibility 1. Input is 1. 1. Here also it is 1, 1. 1 ended with 1 is 1. Then NOT operation 0. So, if you short circuit the 2 inputs of a NAND gate, even then you get a NOT gate. ठीक है? जरूरत की है, that we will discuss. OR gate. Now it is a NOR gate. It is equivalent to, we will check, AND gate. OR gate the एक 0 is equal to AND gate the piche 2 zeros. We want to check whether it is correct or not. This is De Morgan's theorem. We need not remember the name. This is De Morgan's theorem 1. Need not, but in competition you get questions, that is why I need to know it. A, B, Y. Write equation for this one. A, B, Y. Write equation for this one also, then make the truth table and confirm whether it is correct or not. You have to write equations and the truth table. You have to write equation, then you have to make a truth table. It is practice based. Logic gate is practice patience oriented, very simple. What do you say? Same. Let us work out. Equation for this is what? A, B. What operation? OR. A ORed with B. Not. Here it is A. Not operation will shift it to A is a complement. B will do what? B is complement. Not means complement. Here you get is B is complement. So you get A is complement, B is complement. This gate is what? What one? Which one? Sorry. A complement, implement ended with B complement. So this is what theorem 1 is. Sequence is immaterial for us. Truth table, confirm it. For the left hand side, truth table is A, B, Y 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Yes. Follow. Left side. 0 odd with 0 is what? 0. Its complement is 1. 0 odd with 1 is 1. Complement is 0. 1 odd with 0, 1. Complement is 1 odd with 1, 1. Complement is. Let's see this part. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Yes, 0's complement is what? 1. 0's complement is 1. 1 ended with 1. 1. 0's complement is 1. 1's complement is 0. So 1 ended with 0 is 0. Similarly, this is also 0. What about this one? 1. Complement of 1 is 0. 1's complement is 0. So it is 0. This is also 0. 0 ended with 0 is what? 0. So it is the same. OR gate the agge ek 0 is equal to AND gate the piche 2 zeros. 1. Theorem 2. एंड गेट दे अगे एक 0 और गेट के पिछे 2 zeros. Write equation for the same, make truth table and confirm. Equation, let me try. A, B. This is what operation? First part is AND operation, then it is NOT. A ended with B. Okay? This is A, B, A is complement, B is complement, operation below, or operation. So at this point, why this is what it is. We want to check whether it is same or not. Truth table. For left side, truth table. Yes, A ended with B. 0 ended with 0 is 0, complement is 1. 0 ended with 1 is complement, 1 ended with 0, complement is 1. 1 ended with 1 is 1, its complement is 0's complement 1, 0's complement 1, 1 odd with 1, 0's complement 1, 1's complement 0, 1 odd with 0, 1's complement 0, 0's complement 1, 0 odd with 1 is last part 1, 1's complement, 1's complement, this is 0, this also is 0, 0 odd with 0 is 0, same. So AND गेट दे अगे एक 0 और गेट दे पिछे 2 zeros. That means AND and OR the key system है 1 0 with any of the gate is equivalent to 2 zeros on the back side of the other gate. कितने यूज होगा थोड़ी देर से पता लग जाएगा. That is any problem? क्वेश्चन लिखो. Make AND gate using NAND gates only. You can use 2, 3, 4, 5, any number of NAND gates. बनाना की है AND gate. Question is, problem is, बुक रेफर करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यूज make है make AND gate. Make AND gate by using NAND gates. मतलब मार्केट जाओगे, you will purchase 10, 20, 30, 15, any number of NAND gates, basic unit. If you want to make a chip, all NAND gates, and you can connect those NAND gates, short circuit, series, parallel, whatever that combination be. You can use NAND gates, and using NAND gates, the circuit should behave as AND gate. This is known as gate conversion system, where next question is OR gate. You have to make OR gate using NAND gates, because NAND gate is a basic unit. Like for a house, basic unit की एक brick है. Try. Yes. की बनाना है बोलो. This is what you want to get. Using NAND gate. So if I say this is also same, not and not cancel, so AND gate can be written like this. आ सकता है कि नहीं बोलो? AND gate can be written like this, because two NOT operations means what? Same, cancel हो जाएगा. Now the next question is in this part. This is a NOT gate. Agreed or not? How you make a NOT gate using NAND gate? आज ही कितना है? Yes, short circuit. Correct answer. Short circuit what? A NAND gate. Short circuit, it's two inputs. This NOT gate can be realized using a NAND gate. आज ही कितना है कि नहीं बोलो? So one NAND gate, another NAND gate, using NAND gates only. तुसी की बनाता? AND gate. So you can make one AND gate by using two NAND gates. One NAND gate is as it is, and the second NAND gate is short circuited. The board च भी आंदा है question, घबराओ ना. Same question, because it is given in your conceptual problems. Board च आया हुआ question है, gate conversion. Next problem. This was conceptual problem. Refer नहीं करने की जरूरत. This was conceptual problem number. Problem conceptual 4. 3, sorry. 3. This was 3. Now we will take up conceptual problem 4. Book refer करने की जरूरत नहीं है please. Make OR gate. यूज की करना है सिर्फ NAND gate. 3 minutes with you. Book refer ना करना. Procedure given in the book is complex. Logic is very simple. You have to make an OR gate. Anyone with the answer? What do you want to make is OR gate. Using OR gate, how to change OR to NOT? Let us see. OR to AND or not NAND gates. This is same or not? Because this is not, this is also not. Not effect is cancelled. Now, can you change this to AND or NAND format? Step number 3. Yes, ਅੱਜ ਹੀ ਕੀਤਾ डी मॉर्गन थ्योरम OR गेट ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ 1 0 AND गेट ਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ NAND ਦੇ ਨੇ OR गेट ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ 1 0 is equal to AND गेट ਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ 2 0. So first part check करो ठीक है this one बोलो and this is NOT operation. Can I write like this? NOT we can shift this NOT gate here so that it becomes a NOT gate. Acceptable? Draw up to this one. This is what you want to get OR gate using NAND. That means I will have to change it to NOR. NOR can be changed to AND or NAND format. Last step, help. You have to use only NAND gate, but this is NAND, this is acceptable. This is not gate, not acceptable. How you get a NOT gate from NAND gate? Short circuit, correct. So this is NAND gate, short circuit, it's 2 inputs. This is also NAND gate, short circuit, it's input. So this becomes a NOT gate, this is also a NOT gate, and this is a NAND gate. So the question is, you can get competition question. You can get one OR gate using 3 NAND gate, out of which 2 NAND gates inputs are short circuited. That is the correct answer. One OR gate from how many NAND? 3. The choices given then, one of the NAND gate is short circuited, 2 NAND gates are short circuited. इस तरह choices आएंगे. Total कितने gate NAND? How many? 3. Out of 3, how many are short circuited? 2. This was conceptual problem number 4. Conceptual problem number 6. Book refer नहीं करनी please. Make an AND gate. using NOR gate. AND gate using NOR gates. What you want to make is AND gate. So for solution or answer, this is what you want to get, AND gate. But you can use only NOR gates. So AND gate, can I write like this? These two NOT gates cancel each other, so it is the same. Next, focus only on this part. AND gate ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਇੱਕ 0, OR gate ਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ 2 zeros. And you can shift this NOT here. Agreed? पर कोई गल नहीं, थोड़ी देर च करते हैं. Fourth step, try. करो, अपने आप करो. NOR gates, in form of NOR gates. Yes, bolo, help. Can we do it like this? OR gate. You can shift this NOT gate here. And then these two NOT can be shifted to this place like this. So this is a NOR gate, acceptable. This is a NOT gate, this is not acceptable. How you get a NOT gate from a NOR gate? A NOR gate, short circuit its two inputs, it is a NOT gate. Another NOT gate, one more NOR gate, short circuit its input, so you get an AND gate using how many NOR gate? 3. Out of 3, how many short circuited? 2. This is your problem number, page number 999, page number 6. Now you refer to the book. What is given is correct, but complex. Equation format, it is difficult to understand, difficult to proceed how to take the next step. So I will say by using the circuit. We do it by using circuits. The book किवें कीता हुआ है? By using equations. So घर जाके देख लेना, अगर किसी को बुक नहीं है तो not an issue. बुक बंद कर दो. बुक बंद कर दो प्लीज. You have to sketch the output, but first, how A varies, देखना, high, low. Say, suppose you can think of as if it is each 1 second. Suppose time is 1 second. Suppose first second A is high, next second B is low, next second B is again low, 0, and then it is high. Then again it is high. That means it is high for 2 seconds. Next 2 seconds it is low. So let me say we are talking about how much time? 1 second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 seconds. Yes, last 2 seconds. That means up to this. This is how A varies. Then B varies like this. First second it is high, then it is low, then again, this is the reference line, this is again high, then low, then high, then low. That means it is alternate, and again it is high. This is how B varies. You have to plot the output for a NAND gate. In case it is given as a NAND gate, these two inputs are given to a NAND gate. Plot Y. Or you can say A, B, Y. First below. A is high, B is also high. NAND operation. कर दो बस. 1 1 0 0 चेक करना है. 1, this is also 1, उधर NAND operation करना है. Then second केड़ा आएगा? A is 0, B is also 0. ऐसा NAND operation कर. आराम नाल करो, कोई जल्दी नहीं. We have one more question of the similar type, and all the types are over now. All the types of questions for competition and board are over. NAND operation. प्रॉब्लम डिफाइन कर दी है, यस। ए बोलो कितना, 0, बी सेकंड 0, थर्ड सेकंड ए इज, बी इज, फोर्थ सेकंड ए इज 1, बी इज 0, fifth second a is 1, fifth second a is 1, b is also 1, sixth second a is 0, b is also 0, seventh second a is 0, b is 1। 4 ही बन गए पॉसिबिलिटीज। रिपीट हो रहा है कोई कोई, यस। 1 1 रिपीट हो रहा है, 0 0 रिपीट हो रहा है, 0 1 रिपीट हो रहा है। नैंड ऑपरेशन की होया भाई, फर्स्ट 1 एंडेड विद 1, पहले एंड ऑपरेशन करो, ये आएगा 1, नॉट ऑपरेशन करो की आएगा 0, 0 एंडेड विद 0 इज 0, ਉਹਦਾ नॉट ऑपरेशन किया तो की आ गया 1, 0 एंडेड विद 1 0, ਉਹਦਾ नॉट ऑपरेशन किया 1, 1 एंडेड विद 0 0, ਉਹਦਾ नॉट ऑपरेशन किया 1, बाकी तो रिपीट ही हो रहा है। 1 1 0 0 0 1 1। फर्स्ट बोलो, फर्स्ट सेकंड 0 लो, सेकंड हाई, थर्ड सेकंड हाई, फोर्थ सेकंड हाई, फिफ्थ सेकंड लो, सिक्स सेकंड हाई, सेवन सेकंड हाई, that's it। So choices, number of choices, you will get competition 4, and one of the choices will be of this type। प्रोसीजर पता लग गया? वेव फॉर्म क्वेश्चंस कहते हैं, वेव फॉर्म क्वेश्चंस, that for A and B this is given, one more question of the same type and then it is over। This is problem number 9। Need not refer to the book, you need not refer to the book, फिर नहीं कर पाओगे। हाई लो लो, हाई हाई लो लो, this is A। then high low high low high low high, Y for NOR gate operation। Conceptual problem number 9, NOR gate operation। बुक रेफर करने की जरूरत नहीं है। NOR gate or not, A B Y। यस, बोर्ड तो देख के मेरी हेल्प कर दो। यस, 1 and 1, this also 1, this also 1, 1 और odd with 1 is 1, ਉਹਦਾ नॉट ऑपरेशन करांगे तो क्या आएगा 0। नेक्स्ट एंट्री 0 0, 0 odd with 0 is 0, it's not operation 1। नेक्स्ट 0 odd with 1, 0 odd with 1 is 1, its not operation is 0। next 1 and 0, previous same case 0। next 1 and 1, 1 odd with 1 is 1, here you get 1, then it is not operation, what you get is 0। 0 odd with 0, 0 odd with 0, here you get 0, it's not operation, you get 1। last 0 and 1, 0 odd with 1 is 1, it's not operation 0।